Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. July 13, 2025, Sunday Racing. Ngayong araw na linggo, meron tayong 8 races. Starting time ng karera, mas maaga, alas 2 ng hapon, 2 p.m. At ngayong araw ng linggo, ang kaganapan ng 2025 Ferrocom third leg Triple Crown Stake Race. Ganon din ang third leg Hopeful Stakes Race at ang third leg Locally Bred Stakes Race. Pawang third leg. Nasa ano na po tayo, pinaka main event. At ngayong araw ng linggo, happy family day po sa inyong lahat. At muli, marapatin po ninyo na ang the family that prays together, stay together. Happy Family Day po muli. Umpisahan po natin ang ating mga cool choices. Race 1 ay First Pick 5. Covers races 1 to 5. Ang ating pong cool first choice number 7. Be Fit and Fabulous. Second choice number 1. Danish Sun. Third choice number 3. Ang malamang na bandera dito. At ngayong race 1, pwedeng tapusin, banderang tapos. Number 3, Aliana. Third leg, 3-year-old locally bred stakes race, 2,000 meter distance. Merong pentapekta event, ang race 2. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 3, Blackjack. At second choice, number 8, Tasha. Ngayon sa race 3, pick 6, covers races 3 to 8, 2,000 meters. Merong pentapekta event ang race 3 at ito ang third leg Hopeful Stakes Race. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 7, Senyor Ibarra. Second choice, number 4, Lily Bell. Dumako tayo ngayon sa race 4. Second pick 5, covers races 4 to 8. At dito sa race 4, ang ating pong cool first choice, coupled entry 2, Domsat 7, 2A, Friends Leather. Second choice po natin, number 4, Animo Lasal. Third choice, number 7, Batang Kankalu. Punta tayo sa likod ng programa. Race 5. Ito na po ang pinakatampok sa lahat. Ang 2025 Ferrocom third leg Triple Crown Stakes Race. Another 2,000 meter distance. Meron pong pentapekta event din itong race 5. Ang ating pong cool first choice, yun ang nanalo ng first leg at second leg. 2 down, 1 to go. Sabi nga, ang ating pong first choice muli, number 6, Binalot AU. Second choice, coupled entry, 2, Parade King. 2A, Coming Early. At third choice, number 8, Constatic Offer. Dumako na tayo ngayon sa race 6. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 8, Salacious. At second choice, yung malamang na llamado sa race na ito, number 1, Doña Leoncia. Race 7, penultimate race. Race na may usual na pentapekta. Ang ating pong cool first and only choice number 5, Border Force. Race 8, Paratingan. Race na may Super 6. Ang ating pong cool first choice number 6, Carried Away. Second choice number 11, Heavyweight. At third choice number 10, Anyo 96. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!